Welcome. If you've ever wanted more control over who can add you to private servers on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest update on the Roblox app for PC and show you exactly how to allow only specific people to invite you to private servers. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll need. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the More icon. This icon usually looks like 3 dots or lines stacked together. After clicking More, a menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage everything from your profile to your privacy preferences. Next, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you can control who interacts with you and how visible you are to others on Roblox. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it to continue. Now you'll see a tab called Private Servers. Go ahead and click on this. Here, Roblox gives you control over who can add you to private servers. With the latest update, you have more flexibility than ever before. You'll see several options for who can invite you. To allow only specific people, choose the option that says Friends, Followers, and People I Follow. This setting ensures that only people you trust, your friends, your followers, and those you follow, can add you to private servers. It's a great way to keep your gaming experience safe and enjoyable. Once you've selected this option, your changes will save automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings to control who can add you to private servers on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Roblox and other gaming platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!